Folks, I'm almost there. I'm here waiting for DJ Melvin to finish getting ready. It's a lake right there. It's a little choppy. Who cares, right? For myself, who cares? But we're like about 5. Have a good day. Probably just gonna hang out with the family over here from the Winter Haven chain, the lakes. Winter set and everything. Hey, we're live, brother. You guys come out, or anybody comes out, just be prepared to get wet. Like I said, going out to winter set. Basically nobody out here. Have a good day. Be safe out there, everyone.
Salt water got last week. Like, yeah, baby, go ahead. Big old fresh water you want there.
So the funny thing is the water levels are so low. I don't know if anybody noticed, but now, right here. The other day when I came by, I was like, oh no, there's sand there. That's the only reason why I tied it up, because I didn't want the ass end to pull it out. Anyway, see y'all later. I'm about to eat some chicken wings. Chicken wings. Do you see the gator? Do you see the gator? Do you see the gator? Melvin said I'm done. I'm not getting in the water now. Yeah, I need to call him over here. You know, we barely ever see. Lake Ship Park is a little choppy. Just left me here, stranded on the beach. It's out here, it's choppy as hell. Good time out here. Sunday, I don't know if I'll be able to make it out. That's why I came out today, because I might be busy all weekend. There's like right in the ocean out there today. Man, you got a lot of washing after you're done with that testing. You go to that airplane lake, I forgot what it's called over there. That's the best part. Anyways, I'll see everybody later.